Hi everybody, my name is Krzysztof Nowosielski. I'm in Krakow on conference, FlexSim conference 2022. I represent Wrocław University of Economics and Business, and since the last year I'm also a manager of Business Process Simulation Center. That's a new facility in our infrastructure. I'm happy to announce that we are open. So this facility is fully powered by FlexSim. It's very important for us because this is the most flexible system I know, and we use it mostly for didactic purposes. So first of all, we order virtual decision-making games. That's the original idea, and InterMarium, FlexSim InterMarium, produced for us 20 virtual decision-making games. And this product can be used by standard user. This is very important information because there's no time to teach our teachers any basic things about FlexSim. With this product, they can use it just as they came to our center first time. So you have to see it, so you are invited. The idea of the center is rather old. It's 11 years old, but at that time there are more constraints than opportunities to produce such a product. And in 2018, we've got all the puzzles, so no constraints. We've got financial source, we've got organizational solutions and stuff, and we started to visualize the first version. What you see behind me is, I think, I know that there were hundreds of versions, so this is the very last, very corresponding to the real object. And because of pandemic time, we had to wait to open it. But this year, in the early spring, we opened it for students, and we are open now, I hope, for the next generation of students. First of all, the idea was good, and we've got a green light from our rectors, and they did not ask too many questions, so they let us to open mind and to open our minds and just to design whatever we want inside. So this is a high-tech, powered by FlexSim business process simulation center. Inside we have got two main zones. One zone is rather typical with 12 workstations, and we use it to teach our students how to model, improve, measure processes. The second zone is a VR box zone. So we've got 6 wired boxes or rechangeable to wireless VR zones. And that's the main 2 zones, plus tech room and clock room. That's all. This is a modular construct. That's 9 connected containers, and it's also flexible because we can put another containers on this level and expand. These virtual decision-making games, and this is product open for every field of study. So every teacher from university can use it, and we're trying to open for everybody. And the second thing is that we've got specialization of process management in a field of study, management and production engineering. And we've got 180 hours specialization in this center with FlexSim. So the students learn how to model, how to measure, how to model process, how to measure the process, how to improve process using experimenter, optimizer, so any kind of stuff. Now we had another different system, but what I can say is that FlexSim is better. It's open source. It's very flexible, and the visualization is great. And we've got a great support from InterMarium, so this is a good choice. Yeah, it's a great idea. I like it very much. So during this conference, I'd like to meet many interesting people. Yeah.